Hello and welcome back to Between the Keys. I've been teaching my way through the US Top 40 and now I'm going to teach you how to play We Pray by Coldplay. This song is number 34. So after this I've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 songs left. Even though it's 34, I'm still like, is it 6 songs or 7 songs? Anyway, so the first Google search result is in the wrong key. As always, as is often the case. Ultimate Guitar, they've put it in, someone's put it up and they've put it in the wrong key to make it easier, right? So what they've done is they've put it down a semitone. So here when it says E minor, I'm going to play F minor, so that I'm playing it in the original key that it is if you listen to it on Spotify, Tidal, wherever you listen to your music. I use Tidal, don't ask me why. Better quality, I guess, apparently. So the intro, F minor to C. There's F minor and there's C. Here's F minor again. We go to D flat, E flat, C minor, C minor, B minor, B flat minor, C. And the C is actually more of a C7. If you listen to the song, you'll hear that flat 7 there. And so we pray, C sharp, D sharp, C minor, C sharp, A sharp minor, C dominant 7, and so we pray. And then we go to the verse 1. So verse 1 starts on F minor. I pray that I don't give up, pray that I do my best, pray that I can lift up, pray my brother is blessed. Was F minor, D flat or C sharp, E flat, C minor. And then we go praying for enough, D flat. Pray Virgilio wins. Who's Virgilio or Virgilio? Don't know. Then we go to C, at dominant 7. Excuse me. Pray I judge nobody and forgive me my sins. I pray we make it. Pray my friend to pull through, pray as I did it, unto others I do. I pray on your love, C sharp major. Pray with every breath, that's B flat minor. And then C for dominant 7. Though I'm in the valley of the shadow of death. I like that line. As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my mind and realize there's nothing left. That's Gangster's Paradise, uses that same lyric. Okay, F minor. And so we pray, someone to come our way, D flat major, E flat major, and so we pray, some shelter and some records to play, that's C minor, we go back up to C sharp, and so we pray, and we'll be singing, beret, B flat minor to C. Pray that we make it to the end of the day. And so we pray, I know somewhere there heaven is waiting. So we pray, know somewhere there's something amazing. And so we pray, I know somewhere we'll feel no pain until we make it to the end of the day. There's your chord there. I've just gone back by mistake. Let's keep it on the same page, please. Okay, I pray that we love. I pray that love will shelter us from our fears. I will pray that you trust too. Let me wipe away your tears. This is verse 2, same chords. Confront all the pain that we felt inside of all the cards that we've been dealt in life. Pray I speak my truth and keep my sisters alive. Okay, F minor. So for the ones we plant our seeds, oh yeah. D flat for the ones who follow their dreams, oh yeah. For the ones who knock down doors, oh yeah. And allowed us to pass down, oh yeah. Scroll it up. We go to D flat again. Pray that we speak with a tongue that is honest. B flat minor. And we understand how to be modest. Okay, C. Pray she looks herself in the mirror. She sees a queen. She sees a goddess. God damn. Chorus 2. And so we pray. Someone to come our way. And so we pray. Some shelter to take the records to play. And so we pray. And we'll be singing beret. And we go to C with the dominant 7. That's the blues chord, the Beatles chord. That's the chord that we use in the blues. And so we pray, I know somewhere heaven is waiting. And so we pray, I know there's something amazing. And so we until we make it to the end of the day. And we go to the bridge. The bridge is the same chords. On my knees as I pray, sleep and wake, 'cause inside my head is a frightening place. C sharp, keep a smiling face, only by disgrace, B flat minor. We go to C, 'cause love's more than I can take, yeah. And so we pray, and so we pray, and so we pray, and so we pray. I've never prayed, I'm being honest, I've never prayed. I'll be singing beret until somebody's need and everybody can sing. And we go to the post-chorus. The post-chorus is la 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 la. Same chords again. We pray la 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 la. That's actually C there. La 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 la. We pray, we pray. Outro. You think the song would have ended by now, but it carries on. La 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 la. Believe it or not, it goes round again. La 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 la. And so we pray. Ends on an F minor. Nice resolution there, it resolves. F minor, C sharp, D sharp, C minor, C sharp, B flat minor, C, dominant 7, and we pray, and it ends. And that's the whole song. You don't need too many chords, you only really need the ones that I've just played. Ha ha ha. So, thanks for watching Between the Keys. I've got a little bit of a cold today, but I'm soldiering on. I'm moving on now to song 35, which is To the Moon by Pitbull, Neo, Afrojack featuring DJ Buddha. As I've gone down this list of the top 40, there seems to be more and more artists in each track. It's like 5 people. So if you like the video, please don't forget to click like, because apparently clicking like will massively help the channel, as will clicking subscribe if you like the video. And I'll see you in the next one. To the Moon. I'm going to go and listen to it now, and I'll see you there for that one. Thanks for watching Between the Keys. I'm also putting all of these on Instagram and TikTok, so you should be able to find them there as well. Maybe I'll put the links to those channels as well below if you prefer to watch content on the social medias. See you next time.